What if I told you that reuniting with your family in Europe is not as impossible as most people think? And here's the surprising truth. Thousands of families assume that European immigration systems are too strict, too complex, and too slow. But in reality, countries like Romania are quietly offering structured pathways that allow families to live together legally in Europe. Let me tell you about Daniel. Daniel is a 34-year-old software engineer from Brazil. He moved to Romania for work after receiving a job offer in Bucharest. At first, everything felt exciting. New country, new career, new opportunities. But after a few months, something hit him hard. Distance from his wife and young daughter. Every video call ended the same way. "Daddy, when are we coming?" And that question changed everything. Because Daniel realized something most people don't talk about. Success means nothing if your family is not with you. So he started researching the Romania family reunification visa data. And what he discovered surprised him. Because Romania actually provides a legal pathway for foreign residents to bring their spouse and children to live with them. Today, I'm going to walk you through the complete Romania family reunification visa guide for 2026. But this is not just paperwork explained. This is a step-by-step roadmap. A real-world breakdown of eligibility, documents, process, timelines, and common mistakes. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand the visa. You will understand how families successfully reunite in Romania without unnecessary delays. Now let's begin with the foundation. Romania is part of the European Union. That means its immigration system follows EU-level family reunification principles. And this is important. Because EU law strongly supports the right of family unity. But here's where most people get confused. Family reunification is not automatic. It is a structured legal process. Now, let's break it down. The Romania Family Reunification visa allows foreign nationals who legally reside in Romania to bring close family members to join them. These family members typically include spouse, children under 18, and in some cases dependent family members. Daniel learned this early. But he also learned something even more important. Your eligibility depends on your legal status in Romania. Now let's talk about who can sponsor a family member. To apply for family reunification, you must generally be a legal resident in Romania, holding a work permit, study permit, or long-term residence permit, and able to demonstrate financial stability. And here's the surprising truth. Income matters more than most people expect. Because the government wants to ensure families can live without relying on public assistance. Daniel had a stable tech job, which helped his case. Now let's talk about the step-by-step process. Step 1 is obtaining your residence permit in Romania. Without this, you cannot sponsor family members. Daniel already had a work-based residence permit, so he was eligible. Now step 2 is filing the family reunification application at the Romanian Immigration Office. This is where the official process begins. You must submit documents proving your relationship and legal status. Now let's talk about the required documents. This is where many applicants make mistakes. You typically need valid passport copies, Romanian residence permit, proof of accommodation, proof of income, marriage certificate or birth certificates, proof of family relationship, and translated, legalized documents, if required. Daniel made his first mistake here. He submitted documents without proper legalization. And his application was delayed. This is where most people lose time. Now, let's talk about financial requirements. You must prove that you can financially support your family in Romania. This usually includes salary slips, employment contract, bank statements, and sometimes tax records. And here's the key insight. Authorities want stability, not just income. Now, let's talk about accommodation. You must show proof of suitable housing. This can be rental agreement, property ownership documents, or official housing confirmation. Daniel had to upgrade his apartment to meet requirements. Because space matters when bringing a family. Now let's talk about processing time. This is one of the most emotionally challenging parts. Because approval can take several weeks to several months. And during that time, families wait. And hope. And check emails repeatedly. Daniel described this period as the hardest part. Because uncertainty is difficult when your loved ones are waiting. Now let's talk about approval. Once the application is approved, family members receive a long-stay visa. This allows them to enter Romania legally. After arrival, they must apply for a residence permit. And that completes the process. But here's the important part. Approval is not just about documents. It is about consistency. Everything must match. Income, housing, relationship proof, and legal status. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Submitting incomplete documents. Using unverified translations. Not proving stable income. Applying too late. And misunderstanding eligibility rules. Most rejections are avoidable. Now, let's talk about children and dependents. Children under 18 are usually eligible for reunification. And in many cases, they gain access to education in Romania, which includes public schooling options. Daniel's daughter was excited about starting school in Europe. Now let's talk about language and integration. Romania's official language is Romanian. But here's the truth. Many expats in cities like Bucharest and Cluj-Napoca use English in daily life. Still, learning basic Romanian helps significantly with integration. Daniel started learning simple phrases with his wife over video calls. And it helped them prepare emotionally for the move. Now, let's talk about life after reunification. This is where everything changes. Families experience stability, shared routines, emotional support, and stronger long-term settlement in Europe. But here's the surprising truth. Many families say the adjustment period is easier than expected. Because being together solves the biggest challenge already. Distance. Now let's talk about renewals. Residence permits for family members are usually linked to the sponsor's status. Which means if the sponsor renews their permit, family members can also renew. Now let's talk about long-term options. After several years of legal residence, families may become eligible for long-term residency, or even permanent residence depending on conditions. This opens doors to deeper stability in Europe. Now let's bring everything together. The Romania Family Reunification Visa, in 2026, is not just an immigration process. It is a legal bridge. A structured pathway designed to keep families together while living abroad. But success depends on preparation. Accurate documents. Stable income. Legal compliance. And patience. Daniel succeeded. His wife and daughter joined him in Romania after approval. And for the first time in months, their family was whole again. And here's the truth. Daniel is not special. He simply followed the process correctly and understood how the system works. So now the question is, are you ready to take the same step? If this guide helped you understand how Romania's family reunification visa really works, make sure you subscribe for more step-by-step immigration guides. Because reuniting your family might be closer than you think. And what you do next could change everything.